Life gets busy, doesn't it? We all know the feeling of needing to get a good meal on the table, but time feels short. That's where meal planning comes in. It might seem like an extra chore, but trust me, it's a game changer. Planning your meals saves you time and stress. No more last-minute dashes to the supermarket or staring blankly into the fridge. You'll always know what's for dinner. Plus, it helps you eat healthier. When you plan ahead, you're more likely to make better food choices, rather than reaching for something quick and less nutritious. And guess what? It can even save you money. Planning means less food waste and fewer impulse purchases at the grocery store. Now that's a win-win. Ready to get started? Great! Let's break down meal planning into easy steps. First things first, grab a pen and paper, or open up your favorite notes app. Now think about your schedule. Do you have any busy evenings or late meetings? Mark those down so you can plan for quicker meals on those days. Next, think about what you enjoy eating. Write down your favorite meals, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Don't forget about snacks. Now it's time to think about balance. Aim to include a good mix of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in each meal. Think grilled chicken or fish for protein, brown rice or quinoa for carbs, and avocado or olive oil for healthy fats. Finally, make your shopping list. Check your pantry and fridge for staples, then add everything else you need to your list. Need some inspiration? Here's a sample meal plan to get your creative juices flowing. Remember, this is just a starting point. Feel free to swap things out based on your preferences. Monday. Breakfast, overnight oats with berries and nuts. Lunch, leftover chicken and veggie stir-fry. Dinner, salmon with roasted vegetables and quinoa. Tuesday. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado. Lunch, big salad with grilled chicken or chickpeas. Dinner, lentil soup with crusty bread. Wednesday. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with fruit and granola. Lunch, leftover lentil soup. Dinner, chicken and veggie skewers with brown rice. Thursday, breakfast, smoothie with spinach, banana and protein powder. Lunch, leftover chicken and veggie skewers. Dinner, veggie burgers on whole wheat buns with sweet potato fries. Friday, breakfast, whole wheat pancakes with berries and syrup. Lunch, leftover veggie burgers. Dinner, pizza night. Try whole wheat crust and load it with veggies. Saturday, breakfast, eggs in a hole with avocado toast. Lunch, out to eat. Dinner, family favorite recipe. Sunday, breakfast, French toast with berries. Lunch, leftovers. Dinner, roast chicken with roasted vegetables and potatoes. Now you might be thinking, Jamie, that all sounds great, but what about my dietary needs? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Vegetarian? Swap out the meat for beans, lentils, tofu, or tempeh. Looking for gluten-free options? No problem. Choose gluten-free bread, pasta, and wraps. Allergies? Simply swap out ingredients for alternatives. Remember, this is your meal plan, so personalize it. The key is to find what works for you and your lifestyle. Start small, maybe plan just 2 or 3 dinners a week and gradually add more as you become more comfortable. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Don't beat yourself up if you skip a meal or order takeout. Life happens. The most important thing is to get back on track and keep going. Happy meal planning.